The National Weather Service in Los Angeles Oxnard has issued an extreme wind warning for East Central Ventura County in southwestern California, Central Los Angeles County in southwestern California, southeastern Santa Barbara County in southwestern California, until 2:45 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:18 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar and maritime observations indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Matt were moving onshore along a line extending from near Manhattan Beach to 31 miles south of Avalon, moving east at 80 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Locations impacted include Westchester, Point Mugu State Park, Los Angeles Harbor, Baldwin Park, Point Dume, Fillmore, Commerce, Encino, Boyle Heights, Santa Fe Springs, Glendale, Topanga Canyon Road through the Santa Monica Mountains, Irwindale, Studio City, Inglewood, Arleta, Interstate 405 through the Sepulveda Pass, Port of Los Angeles, Simi Valley and Sun Valley. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be during a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions.